Blood vessels. The heart circulates blood across the body through a network of tubes called blood vessels. There are three kinds of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries. They are thick walled with smooth muscle fibers. Blood flows in the arteries due to the contraction of the ventricles of the heart. Arteries do not have valves. They carry blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Veins are made up of a thin layer of smooth elastic muscle. They have valves to prevent the backward flow of blood. They carry blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. Capillaries. These are one cell thick and do not have valves. These are found in the tissues of the body. They are helpful in the exchange of materials between the cells and blood. Veins. Their function is to transport blood to the heart from the body. The veins always have a low blood pressure because by the time the blood with high pressure reaches the veins, it loses most of the pressure. This means that blood flows very slowly in veins. To help this, veins lie between muscles so that the blood is squeezed when the muscles contract. They have a simple structure because they have a low pressure. They don't need strong, thick walls like the artery. Instead, they have thin walls. Their lumen is much wider too. Veins have a unique feature, that is valves. Because blood in veins flows slowly with a low pressure, there is a risk of a backflow, especially in veins that move blood upwards against gravity, like the ones in the leg. The valves ensure that the blood is always flowing in the direction of the heart. When the muscles squeeze, when the muscles squeeze the blood, the valves are open to let blood through. When muscles relax, the valves close to prevent a backflow. The pulmonary vein transports oxygenated blood from the lungs to the right atrium. The aorta, which is the biggest artery in the body, transports oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. The vena cava, the biggest vein in the body, transports deoxygenated blood from the whole body to the heart. The pulmonary artery transports deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs.